Hey everyone, this is the menu for the large bird feeder and bird seed for Miss Thea Capel, 10 at 280. Spots 1 and 10 each win 7 spots on the main. Copy our list. We go Livby. 852, just rolled over 853. Paste our list, roll our dice, need a 4 higher. 853. We got an 8. 853, 8 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 items on the list. Miss Kim on top, Miss Angela on the bottom. Randomized 7 times. Dice called for an 8. 853, final time. Good luck, everyone. Miss Alicia Todd and Miss Angela Blackwell. 10 items, 8 times, 8 on the dice. Congrats, winners. We're done. 853. Thanks, everyone.